How to list your property on booking.com. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and create an account. Open booking.com and click on create account. Make sure that you are in the partner hub. You can go to partner.booking.com directly, and then you want to simply go ahead and click on add a new property. Enter your property name, your property type, address, postcode, and location. Once you've done that, you can also simply go ahead and add your room or unit types and then your room capacity as well. You can simply go ahead and select individual amenities depending on your rooms, and then you can simply go ahead and upload high quality photos of your property, and then simply go ahead and set a base rate, and you can put the payment method as well. Once you're done with all of this, all you need to do is simply click on publish property. If you're still having problem on how to go ahead and do so, you can also contact partner.booking.com/help, and their team is going to go ahead and help you set it up as well. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.